All right, where are we? Monorail? That's a clue. Where are we? Braxton's so excited to be back. He told me on the bus.
I'm so excited. Don't see it in Disney Castle and go inside the Disney Castle.
Hey.
This way, I'm so excited. The Disney
So excited. We got off the bus here at 8:10 and they opened the gates right as we walked up, and so everybody's hurrying in. We're not really in a big hurry since we're not going to Seven Dwarfs this morning. That's where everybody else is going. Yeah.
Is that the train we're going on? Daddy, is that
Oh, there we are.
Do we get to see the fireworks?
Yes. I don't know that we're going to camp out for a spot for a long time since it's just the second night of the fireworks, but we'll be in the park. Walking back down Main Street. You happy?
Yes.
The boys are happy. Super happy.
Hold on, Brooksy. Slow down, little love.
Brooks.
Brooks.
Braxton.
Slow down.
Hey, do you boys notice anything different about the castle from last time?
Yeah.
What?
There's princesses in there.
Well, there's always princesses in there.
I added that one.
What color is the castle? Yeah, was it always pink?
No.
Used to be white, didn't it?
No.
You like the pink
No.
castle?
Wait,
You
didn't
like the
they
pink
add
castle?
that? Mom, did
Pink?
they?
Yeah.
It's peach.
Well, yeah, but whatever.
Did they
wasn't
did
before.
they add that long one?
Yeah, that's all for it's Disney World's 50th birthday this year. So that's why all those blue things are on there to kind of, it's like a birthday celebration.
So we came here on the birthday?
October 1st is the birthday, but they'll celebrate for a whole year. So next year when we come, it'll still be birthday. Let's go in. Are you ready? Want to do the magic carpets? Yeah.
The ride that I always like.
You love this ride, don't you? Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, who's driving up there?
Me.
Remember, this makes it tilt. Look, it tilts back and forward, up, forward. Who's driving up there? Is it Braxton? Mama's about to puke. There's the camels. Oh man. You're gonna make Mom throw up. Brooksy. Oh, you're tilting us. Oh, whoa, Brooksy. Oh, oh, Brooks. You having a good morning at Magic Kingdom? You have fun on Big Thunder? What happened on Big Thunder?
We got poured.
We got what?
Poured.
It was just barely sprinkling when we went into the line, and then when we came off the first lift hill, what did we think? We thought it was a monsoon. Said it turned into a water ride, didn't it? Was it fun? Yeah, pretty cool. No need to put on ponchos as wet as we were. And then we got a fast pass for Splash because it went down while we were in line, but they gave us a fast pass for later. Pretty cool. And how's that burger at Pecos Bills?
Good.
Good?
No, what about
And small.
What do you want to say? Have you had a good day at Magic Kingdom so far?
Yep, guess what?
What?
We get to see fireworks and
Fireworks?
and when it's
Tonight.
dark.
Yep.
tonight.
Yep.
And guess what? I need a hold on.
You're eating
I need a macaroni
mac and cheese. Everybody, who's surprised?
And I'm eating.
You're having some chips.
No, I do the chips and blueberry.
And I'm having the nachos here from Pecos Bills. Mom just got chips and queso and guacamole. That's your favorite. And a cheeseburger.
Wait, I'm eating.
Hold on. All right, so Braxton's doing a test. Dole Whip or Citrus Swirl? I can't right now, no.
I'm here, I will.
He needs a picture first. He's all of a sudden become Mr. Picture.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, got it.
Okay, Dole Whip. So Dole Whip first. Go. Or Citrus Swirl. What are you, Team Dole Whip or Team Citrus Swirl? Citrus Swirl, Citrus Swirl.
What about?
So hard to choose.
In case anyone was wondering, Mom is Team Dole Whip, and I am most definitely Team Citrus Swirl.
What about me?
I like them both.
Brooks is Team Popcorn, and I'll let you talk in a minute, okay? Citrus Swirl. I knew you're an orange juice guy. You're with me. That's a boy.
All right.
Brooks is probably Team Dole Whip, so it's probably 2 and 2. We're back in the room, boys. We never got to talk last night because it rained. So much. But what was everybody's thoughts on Rise of the Resistance? What are you doing?
Hey, can I show you my new food shit? What time?
I guess you'll have to wait to find out Rise of the Resistance.
Hey.
We didn't see it. What'd you think of Rise of the Resistance?
It was the best Star Wars ever.
It was the best one ever.
Me too.
What was your favorite part?
Stupid.
Did you like the ride, or did you like when Kylo Ren?
I like when I pointed at the stormtroopers and they looked at me.
Oh yeah, you pointed at the stormtroopers.
Oh, and guys, have you seen this?
Oh, did you show your drawing? Cool. I think we showed this at Whispering Canyon. So cool. So you liked Rise of the Resistance?
Yep.
You think it was the best ride at Hollywood Studios now?
Yeah, I still don't like Hollywood
Yeah.
Studios.
What about you?
I thought it was really good.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Hey guys, do you want to see something cool? No, yeah. Bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay. Not on the bed. Okay, so Rise of the Resistance is pretty cool. I liked Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway better than I thought I would.
Yeah, once we saw the intro, it made more sense.
Yeah, we did it twice. The first time the pre-show wasn't running,
Yeah.
but it made more sense once you saw the pre-show. Brooks, did you like the Funny Mickey ride?
Wait, at Disney?
Yesterday.
At Hollywood Studios last night. Remember when it was raining? We could never get on the camera because it was raining.
Do you guys want? Okay.
Did you like Funny Mickey ride? You remember where the tornado and you danced with Daisy?
No, Dad. Watch.
No, guys, let me talk.
No, Dad. No. Don't ask.
Do you guys want to see a sumo wrestle? Yeah, you do? Okay. Watch. Yeah, here comes the sumo wrestle. Okay, you ready to wrestle? Sumo wrestle.
We ready to eat at Liberty Tree Tavern? Is everybody ready?
Ready.
You ready?
Ready for some salad?
You ready?
Ready. Now this is cool.
Are you ready? And I'm definitely ready. Here we go. Salad and bread first. Please give you some food. Is that what you said? Do we have any food?
Yes.
Where? Oh, we got food right here. Yeah.
And yes.
Mac and cheese and chicken.
Turn that back for me.
Okay.
And did you know? Wait, hold on. And there's chicken strips and ranch, and that's what I'm eating.
Awesome.
And you guessed it.
Awesome. Braxton, what was your favorite part of dinner at Liberty Tree? What was your favorite part of dinner?
What?
What was your favorite thing at dinner? We're on the TTA, by the way. You couldn't tell? Was it the dessert?
What?
Was it the dessert? What was your favorite thing?
Dessert.
Your favorite thing was the vanilla ice cream you had?
Hold on.
Or did you like the mac and cheese? Did you like the dessert or the mac and cheese? Or the chicken?
I said dessert.
Dessert, okay. It was all really good, but I think the dessert was the best. But everything else was really good.
Mountain.
Later.
Dad,
It'll be your first ride, aren't you?
is this my Space Mountain?
No, this is the TTA. We'll do Space Mountain later.
Does it go does it go down?
Yep.
It's a roller coaster.
Not this. Not this doesn't. We're going to see the castle right around the corner, though. My favorite part of the TTA.
Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney.
Always go back and just say what was my goal.
Look at that, B. That's going to be fun.
I got it.
Hey!
Look, we're walking at the teapot.
You can help me.
You gotta help.
You don't need any help, brah. Okay, just let us go for a minute. You're not even enjoying it.
We are.
Lord have mercy.
You keep doing it, Bruce. Keep doing it, Bruce. I did
I'm going to close my eyes.
I touched the screen.
I don't know if I can walk. Was that fun? That was too fast. Hey, you're a good driver. Is it fun? Can you see the castle as we go around? You see the castle?
Yeah.
Right
Show
there?
him the castle. Hold on. Hold on.
All right, tell me we're in the castle.
Castle.
Right over there. There's Tomorrowland. And my driver, he's a good driver. Was that fun? He told me to just sit back and relax.
Yeah. I'm doing perfect.
Huh?
Don't worry.
You're what?
I'm doing perfect. Don't worry.
Perfect.
Yeah. No. That was not meant to happen.
Oh, oh.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
was Space Mountain?
No, and guess what?
What?
Space Mountain was good. And I'll tell you the all good things about it.
Okay, I'm ready.
It went up, then turn it, and then turn it again, and then down, and then turn it again and down. I kept my hands up the whole time.
Were you scared?
No,
Did you scream?
no.
Wow.
I was just staring at everything.
Even though it was in the dark, you weren't scared?
Yeah, but I was staring at everything.
You were staring at everything?
I wasn't doing this. I wasn't.
Wow. Cool.
Not being, I wasn't scared.
Good thing.